Hi, I'm Marty, and this is my garden on Easter Drive in Westchester on May 3rd, 2018. Last fall, this was a just grassy yard with no fence or anything. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I just brought my tropicals out, so they're just resting in the shade right now. Got this fence, and right here, my daughter Cassie is going to paint a mural on that wall there of the fence. I've got a quince bush blooming right now, and I've got the blue Atlas cedar, the wiggly tree, with little daffodils and tulips coming up. I have a yellow knockout rose there. I've got a clematis coming. Lots of perennials in here that you can't see yet. Butterfly bush just coming on. Lots of salvia. I've got lots of salvia in the middle here. Red knockout rose there. I've got a purple lilac, standardized lilac right there. That fish Cassie painted, I'm going to be putting that in a little pond in a little while. And here's a dead standardized crepe myrtle that didn't make it through the winter. I forget the name of this tree, but it gets 2 different colors of flowers in the fall. And today I planted these 2 red buds, so I'm really excited about that. A few days ago I planted a few of those arborvitae. The grass is not growing very well, as you can see, and my tools are still out. There's a bunch of annuals that I'm going to be planting that I bought yesterday. I plan to cover in the HVAC with something so it doesn't look like that. And then this black round thing is a funky archway that I'm going to grow climbing flowers up, and on either side of it I'll have pots of flowers so that it'll look just like a nice cohesive entranceway to my pool area. And there's another quince bush right there.